How to play YouTube in background without premium. In this tutorial I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to update your YouTube apps. So go to Play Store, tap on Play Store, tap on search bar, search YouTube, and then update your YouTube app in latest version. After completing update process, now long press YouTube apps and then open YouTube info. Just tap I button or app info. Scroll down, tap on stress and tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on delete, go back. Now allow picture and picture permission. Go back and allow appear on top permission option. Go back home screen and then go to YouTube. Now play any video and see this playing in background premium.